Assalamu alaikum. November 2024. On the instructions of President of People's Labour Bureau Karachi Division, Mr. Aslam Samu Sahib. People's Education Employees Association Sindh Karachi Division Member, Sultan Qureshi Media Cell In Charge Nasir Imran Bakshi headed by District Karachi Chairman Naeem Sheikh and People's Labour Union District Karachi President Mr. Adnan Habib Siddiqui met with regard to November 9th Iqbal Day and presented them with books of Youm-E-iqbal. Media Cell. People's Education Employees Association Sindh Karachi.